Hey everyone, have you ever wondered what happens when your data has tons of duplicates, like website logs, user clicks, transaction records? Well, today we are going to explore something super interesting, duplicate heavy workloads in data structures. And I will show you which data structures perform best and why some popular ones fail. So what exactly is a duplicate heavy workload? Imagine this, you have 1 lakh data entries but only 100 unique values. That means 99.9% of your data is repeated. This happens in real life. Event tracking systems, monitoring dashboards, categorical data pipelines. Now here is the biggest question. Do normal data structures still perform well here? Usually we learn data structures assuming more data is more unique values. But in duplicate heavy cases, data grows but uniqueness doesn't. This changes everything. Comparisons become repetitive. Searches become predictable. Some structures become inefficient. So performance is no longer just about big code. Let's talk about what actually works best. Number one, hash tables. It has almost constant time, only 0.279 microseconds per search at 10,000 units. Because duplicates map to the same case. So instead of searching again and again, it just finds it instantly. Number two, adaptive heap. This is the best for priority queues. It is best for extract min operations around 0.035 microseconds. It takes advantage of repeated values almost like counting instead of comparing. Number three, dynamic array. It has very fast insertion but slow delete operations. So it's not a complete solution. Number four, trees. Balanced trees still work, but they are slower than hash tables, especially when handling repeated values. Now here we can check the benchmark controls. Here we can apply the dataset size, and here are the different data structures we have used. So when we select a data structure and click run benchmark, here are the performance graphs we can get. Here is the biggest takeaway from this. Not all data structures are equal for data. If your data has low uniqueness, it has high repetition, then hash tables are your best friend. Adaptive heaps are powerful. Traditional structures may not be optimal. So when you are building a system, ask yourself, is my data unique or repetitive? Because choosing the right data structure can make your system faster, more efficient, smarter. Thank you.